What's up, guys? I know I haven't posted in a while, and it's definitely not about to be an opening like channel, but I just thought this box was sweet. This is the Apple Watch I just got for myself. Yeah, for my birthday, titanium ultra. But the way the box opens is what, like, it pops open like that, and that's pretty cool. Flip, and it's like you're in the mountains. That's so cool. So I don't know if it's regular from this moment forward. It comes in two separate cases. Okay. Gotcha. Well, let me get the tape off of these and stuff, and I will show you how these things open up. All right, so the Alpine Loop doesn't open anything really crazy special, so I'm assuming it's just like a kind of generic packaging for it and stuff, and it's just like in there. So I'll get that out and then open up the actual watch. Alrighty, so here we are. I think I took the tapes off the back. I haven't opened it up yet, so that's neat. So then it comes with, I'm assuming, a charging cord for it. If you don't, it might be a MagSafe one because the new one, I'm not sure yet. And then the actual watch itself, which is it's actually kind of heavy, the new titanium one. So let me get this plastic off, so I can't really do it with one hand, so. But it just peels off and I'll boot it up. All right, guys, so I did like unpackage it and turn it on, get my thing on my wrist so I can kind of get it updating. Just downloading an update right now, so there's nothing really else to show. But yeah, that was the unpackaging, unboxing of the new Apple Watch Ultra. 49, and we'll see some of the details there, 49mm titanium ceramic case. It feels like actually like a nice hefty watch compared to the other Apple Watches that I've worn, at least. I had like the first generation one, but all right, thanks for watching, everyone, and I will be reviving this card channel, essentially this channel, come springtime. So a lot of stuff has changed, so thanks to everyone for subscribing. We'll catch you later. Have a great night.